And here I come. Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now if you have been watching my channel, you already know that I have been posting a series of vlogs, my stock photography tour into Sikkim, and today we will continue with the third day of the tour. The third day was a scheduled long road trip all the way from Gangtok to Lachung. However, we had a change of event at the last moment and we headed over to Lachung. Yes, it was a road trip and most of the day we spent in car and we had some few stops to take some photos, but nevertheless we didn't get any good landscape photos, but we got a lot of stock photographs, which is the reason why I am featuring these videos in my channel in the first place. To those who are in my channel for the first time, let me tell you, in this channel we do a lot of photography tips and tricks and tutorials as well as various guides on how to sell your images online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notifications so that you get updated to my every videos. And yes, I will teach you everything I know in order to start selling your images online. Now let's get on to the video. Friends, we are at the start of day 3. Our hotel is providing breakfast at an outsource. We need to walk to a nearby hotel for the breakfast. It's a beautiful sunny day. Parked without a scratch. The drivers in the hilly region are really pro. Hi, so finally I have put my shades on, but you know something, weather over here changes like mood of a pregnant lady. Just before 5 minutes you saw it was a full bright sunny day, and now see. All gloomy and clouded stuff. So now we are walking to bus stand where we'll load our luggage into the car and we'll go straight to Lachung. So the car is finally taking off. And finally we are out. Friends, our first stop on the way to Lachung is Butterfly Waterfalls. A stop here is a scheduled 15 minutes, so I hope we'll be able to get some decent shots. Let's see. Unfortunately, we have a flat tire. But our driver, Lachung, is very expert. He's managing it in the flash. You saw? That's a portable gas station. In hilly areas, they don't feature any valves and pumps. They simply use funnel. A little bit of diesel dropped as well. Very dangerous. Crazy stuff happened when I switched on my internet just now. I just got 3 sales from Shutterstock. Wasn't expecting because I stopped uploading since last 3 days. You can see the screenshot. It feels great, you know. The next segment is really weird. The audio didn't capture, so I don't know what I am saying. My lips won't sync. But our driver gave us a stop near this waterfall, and which was a hilly river, and the weather was really refreshing. Wow! And I called my wife to say hi to you guys. Yeah, that's it. Hi, say hi, baby. Oh, it's super cool, and now I'll be walking towards a bit close towards upstream and try to take some good shots. For that I have my DSLR with a portable tripod. Let's see, we want to get some those low shutter creamy shots of waterfalls. Ow! Now I will back up. The driver has been kind enough to give us another halt. It's a tea shop.
स्प्राइट वगैरह असेल तर घे बा.
Let's find out. We are at Yuma Falls. Amitabh Bachchan movie got shot over here, so that location is famous. And yes, that was day 3. After the stop, we headed over straight to Lachung. Light was really low and I didn't take any more photograph to show you. The real exciting trip started from day 4, where we visited various scenes from Lachung, which I'll be showing you in the next video. I am Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!